And welcome to Estimating Quotients. I know every year this for some reason gives students trouble, but every year I get better by learning from students and what they teach me too. So this is going to be one of the better lessons that any grade 5 class has ever received about estimating quotients. Of course, you can look that up on YouTube, but I'm just going to give you some easy pointers about it. Now, of course, estimate means that you might get a variety of answers and still be right, but they got to be close. Let's just take a look at the sample that they give you. So maybe I'm just going to take like 7.1 divided by 0.4. Now, if I think of that as 7 divided by 0.4, like I just made this so it's easier, but 7 doesn't even go into 4. So what? Maybe 8. 4 goes into 8 really nicely. So if I think about it like that, 0.4 goes into 8. Now, if it was 4 into 8, it's going to go 2 times, right? 2 times?
Yeah, 4 goes into 8 2 times, but that's not really 4.
Yes, that's right. Good, Jenny. Thanks. But this is 0.4. Is 0.4 bigger or smaller than 4?
Smaller. Much smaller.
That's right, little Johnny. It's much smaller. So there's no way it's going to be only 2 times. It's probably going to be 20 times. I'll just throw in another 0 because this is much smaller. But the dividing part stays the same. Okay, and that was what made students complicated. But I can make this very easy for anybody. Get rid of the decimal.
Yeah, get rid of them? How?
What? How? Thanks, Jenny. This is how I get rid of the decimals. If I had 7.1, now I kind of like this. I'm going to think of this as 8 and divided by 0.4. Now, if I just times each one by 10, that means move the decimal place 1 place over. There's no decimal here. Move 1 place over. Now I'm thinking about 80 divided by 4. Got rid of the decimal. Got rid of the decimal. The decimal just moved over here. 80 divided by 4.
80 divided by 4 is 20. So easy.
That's right, little Jenny. That's 20. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Should we try another one? Let's try number 7. Number 7 we have 9.6. I'm going to erase this because it's on video. You can always get this. 9.6 divided by 0.53. Now, that looks very, very complicated, and that it might be, but what numbers? Let's first get them to easy numbers to work with. I've got this 5 here, and I like this 5, and 9.6 is pretty close to...
9.6 is very close to 10.
Okay, Jenny, that's right. It's close to 10. So now I've got 10 divided by 0.5. That makes it much easier. I'm just going to keep going down. Now, again, get rid of the decimal. Move the decimal place 1 place over. So this 10 is going to become 100. This 0 is going to become a 5. Now you have 5 into 100. What? Did I get the same answer again? I did. And for those people who don't know how to divide 5 into 100, you might think of 5 into 10 goes twice, so that's 20 in the 0. Or if you wanted to do this, you could do 5 goes into 100. 5 goes into 10 2 times. Then it's 10, and then there's a 0 there because, of course, 5 goes in. So it's 20 again. So probably the best thing to do is to get rid of the decimal. And maybe I'll even write
that down. Get rid of the decimal.
by multiplying both numbers by 10. Just slide both decimal places over a little bit, and then it gets a lot easier. And then you can use your common sense to find these answers. That's estimating quotients. Again, you might get different answers. Maybe you estimated this to 12 and this to 6. I don't know. It depends on, you still want it to be easy to divide. Okay, if you have any questions, again, look at YouTube or call me on Hangouts.